Allah said about His ability to return us back to life perfectly on the day of resurrection, yes, we are able to fashion in perfect order the very tips of His fingers. 1400 years ago, some people wondered why God chose to mention the fingertips instead of mentioning something more complicated like the kidney or the eye. Today, science proved that this part of the body is one of the most complicated parts because it is carrying a unique fingerprint. Allah said in the Quran, "Whoever Allah guides, He opens his heart for Islam, and whoever He lets go astray, He makes his chest constrain as if he is ascending gradually in the sky." 14 centuries ago, who could have known that as a man ascends gradually in the sky, oxygen decreases, leading to the feeling of chest tightness? These must be the words of the Creator, Allah.